With COVID-19 and everybody on quarantine, I know that people had kind of panicked and been going out and buying toilet paper for months now, but we had enough. I wasn't too worried about that. But Allie tasked me with going to get more baby wipes because we were out of those. And I hadn't heard about people like really trying to get baby wipes in particular, but turns out they do, and now it's time to make our own. We have been trying for a while to cut down our waste and the amount of things that we throw away. So we've tried to make a lot of things from scratch so we don't have the packaging involved of buying new things. We made a bunch of diapers. We can put a link on to our Instagram page where we posted some pictures of those diapers we made. But yeah, so along with the cloth diapers we made, we considered making some wipes. And then with the whole quarantine thing that's going on, it made a lot of sense to do that because wipes are a lot harder to find since the toilet paper's all gone. That's the next thing people buy. I've got my helper River. You gonna help me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Dad's gonna help me.
Yeah, you're very good at helping Daddy. So the recipe calls for 2 cups, but given this is the spray bottle we're using, it only fits a cup and a third. So we're doing like 3/4 of a cup, or 3/4 of this recipe, and that'll be on the description below. So you need like a cup and a third of water.
And we need a piece of it, and this is a lid.
That is a lid.
And and it do like.
And then we're gonna need
cord.
1 tablespoon and like a third of a tablespoon, and then half a tablespoon and a third of a tablespoon. So basically gonna be using a tablespoon and kind of guesstimating that. You're gonna help me with this?
Sure.
The oil first.
To the oil.
Yep. So hold on. Can you hold it just like that? And then you'll pour it like that, okay? I'm gonna do the same thing, and then this is just baby wash. We're happy using Dove because that's what we're currently using for our kids, and they like it. And that should get the oil to mix in there nicely. It'll all come together. We'll shake it up, and then we'll just take this and we'll spray it onto those wipes that Allie sewed together right as we go to wipe them. Because we're scared that we left them in like a container. These kids would knock it over and spill the liquid everywhere, and they dry up. So that's why we're going with the spray bottle version.
Now, I'm going to mix it up.
Mm-hmm.
This one is just for Evie. This one is for Evie, not Mom and Dad.
You want to mix it up, River?
Sure.
Shake it. Shake. Come more. Shake, shake, shake. There you go. Shake it some more. Shake it a little more. Go.
That's very cold.
It's not cold. I'm just shaking it hard. Shake it hard. Yeah, making the face helps. Well, now that I've got our bottle of wipe juice ready to go, we just have to take these, add them here, and then we got our wipe ready for use. And having it in a bottle here will make it easier so we don't have kids knocking this over and spilling the liquid everywhere. So that's why we opted for the bottle. Which is why we opted for like liquid coconut oil, so it can still be sprayed through here, and we can easily just kind of shake it all up and mix it all up, and we're ready to go. So we got the diapers Allie made, we got our new wipes. Wet wipes, ready to go.
Yep. Spray, spray.
So this will be now for Evie.
Yeah.
For her wipes.
Daddy, you're so silly.
That looks so silly.
And put